Hello everyone, I'm Raghu from CSM Basics. I'm here to discuss about the power plants and working of steam, hydro, diesel and nuclear power plants. Introduction to power plant. So power plants are convert primary energy into electrical energy. Here see the major types of power plants: steam power plant, hydroelectric power plant, diesel power plant, nuclear power plant. So these all power plants are using turbines and generator to produce electricity. Next, here the steam power plant, which is also called thermal power plant. So the working principle behind the steam power plant is Rankine cycle. Here, let's see working steps, how it works. First of all, the water was boiled and it converted into steam. This high pressure steam rotates the turbines. The turbines derives the generator and produce electricity. And consider convert existing steam back to water, then pump send water to the again to the boiler. So the fuels used in the steam power plants are coal, oil, natural gases. Here hydro power plant. So the working principle behind the hydro power plant is conversion of water. First of all, conversion of water potential energy, then to mechanical energy, then to electrical energy. So the process behind the power plant is, first of all, water are stored at height in dams. Then water flows through penstocks. Then drives water turbines, and turbine taps rotates generator, and water discharged to the river. Here the advantages of this power plant is, it is a clean and renewable and low operating cost. It should have low operating cost. Next one, diesel power plants. So working principle behind the diesel power plant is, diesel engine drives generator. So it is worked with generator. Let's see process. First of all, air intake and compressed in engine cylinder. Then diesel fuel was injected by the injection. Then there is combustion will take place. Combustion moves piston, crankshaft. This crankshaft rotates generator. So by rotating generator, the electricity is produced. So it is used in emergency cases and small load supplies. Next one, nuclear power plant. So the working principle behind the nuclear power plant is, nuclear fission takes place first, then heat will be generated. By the heat, steam we will produce steam, then steam to turbines will rotate. By rotating turbines, the electricity is produced. So the process behind the nuclear power plant is, uranium-235 fuels undergoes fission process first of all. Then heat produced in reactor core. Then heat converted the water into steam. The steam drives the turbine generator. That means rotating the turbine and generator. By rotating generator, the electricity is produced. After that, cooling system maintain reacting temperature. And the advantages of this nuclear power plant, it produce high power output, and no greenhouse gases are evolved. Here the table, which is tell about the how the pollution, efficiency, cost, and load capacity. Here steam efficiency is moderate and cost is very high. Pollution is also very high due to coal, and load capacity is also high. Hydro, it is efficiency is high, initial cost is very high. Then pollution is very low and very high load capacity it having. Next one, diesel, its efficiency is low, cost is also low, pollution is high, and load capacity is low medium. And next, nuclear, it having high efficiency, high cost, high pollution, high load capacity. And here the applications. So steam, which is used in base load power for large grids. Next one, hydro power plant. It is a renewable source and grid stability, peak load supply. Next one, diesel. It is used as backup power and remote locations. Next one, nuclear. So to produce large amount of energy, then we use nuclear power plant. Here the conclusion. Power plants are vary by fuel, technology and applications. Hydro and nuclear are clean options for the future. So under working principle helps in energy planning and engineering decisions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.